Namaste. I'm FloChiDo. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today we're going deeper into FloChiDo, and I'm using the FlowStaff, and here and there I might even produce some tones. So let's see where this takes us. Well, I like the heavy staff because it's weighted. Excuse me. It gives me a little bit more resistance when trying to manipulate it. And when I use a lighter one, it's much easier. When using the staff, one must think where you want to go before you go there. Otherwise, you could get hurt. So, what are your thoughts of tones and your workout? It's not so easy to get your breath when you're doing it. So, I'd like to hear your ideas, your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new to this channel, you should subscribe. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It does help the channel. You can reach me on Twitter and Instagram at FlowStaff and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste. Hungry.